Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we're doing the full top-down analysis, meaning starting on the monthly, going all the way down to the 1 hour. I personally don't really think it matters, even if you are trading like the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame. I think it's so important that you do understand these very high time frames, so that way you understand the primary direction on the shorter time frames. So anyways, the US dollar CAD, I think on the monthly is making an extremely clear pattern, which is why, like my mentor used to say, when you find clarity, you need to apply that clarity to all time frames. The monthly time frame to me is actually extremely clear, so I apply that clarity to all the other time frames. First of all, we got one, two, three waves down, three waves of W. We got one, two, three waves up, three waves of X. Then we have one wave down, one wave up, except for that next wave up is three waves. So A, B. Now we should be making another impulsive five-wave pattern to the downside for the wave C of wave Y. I personally think the US dollar CAD is going to end up probably someplace around the 1.14 to maybe 1.16 area over the next year or two. So definitely going to be continue to be very, very bearish on the dollar CAD probably for at least another year or more. Going down to the weekly time frame, I personally think we're in a wave one, wave two, and we're still in a wave three, which I don't even think is over. I think it's going to end up looking something like this for one, two, three, four, and five of wave one. This is only a wave one of a five-wave impulsive move to the downside on the monthly time frame. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, yes, we did have a break to the upside. Yes, we do have a break of structure, but I still think that because of the higher time frames, we need to keep an eye out for shorts. I would be keeping a very close eye on my Fibonacci levels. I mean, we just hit the 38%. I mean, this thing can literally just keep on trending down from here because of the weekly, monthly time frame analysis. Which, if I didn't look at the weekly, monthly time frame and I looked at the daily only, I would see this break of structure and I would probably be very bullish. But because of the weekly, monthly time frame, I know that if I see a break on the daily to the upside, that just means that we're probably in a pullback to the higher time frame downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I actually think we might be looking at an expanding flat on this one also. I think we might have one, two, three waves up. To me, this is extremely corrective, this move down. So I think we have three waves up A, three waves down B. I think we have five waves up for a C. A flat is supposed to be a 3-3-5 pattern. So three waves up, three waves down, five waves up right to a Fibonacci level, nice impulsive down, nice break of structure. I think that we might already have a one. I think we might already have a two, and I think we could go down for a big old wave three and continue that weekly, monthly time frame downtrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where you can see the break of structure to the downside. Then we have what looks to me like one up, wave A. I think this is an expanding ABC of B, and I think this could be a C. Now it hasn't broken down yet, so it possibly could drift up again, make it like a double top and then drift down. But I think there's a good chance this move will make a lower high. What exactly it's going to do on the 1 hour time frame, I don't really care. I just think there's a very good likelihood it is going to make a lower high, and this is going to be a wave one, a wave two, and eventually go down for a wave three. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for joining and watching, and happy trading.